Hi, this is Rohit Bhatia, and I have more than 15 years of experience in healthcare. And I take care of branding, digital marketing, and brand communication PR for one of the top hospitals in Delhi NCR. And I'm really excited to be part of this course at XLRI. And I'm also thankful to Accredion for giving me this opportunity to be part of this general management course at XLRI. So I was since last one and a half years. So I'm working currently as an AGM for brand communication, PR and marketing. So I was planning to upscale myself and upscale my skills also. And I'm looking forward to a CXO kind of role. And for that particular thing, it was very important for me to understand the general management. And at XLRI, the course curriculum, which I found, especially the financial management, the strategic marketing angles, the HR and everything was so comprehensive and so crisp that I really liked the course curriculum and I really wanted to take up this course. So I have completed 15 years in healthcare, and for me it was very important to understand certain aspects of management, like understanding the P&L, the HR systems, operations, supply chain management. So I personally feel that this particular course and the curriculum that it offered was so comprehensive, was so understanding, that I was really enticed to do a course. And I selected amongst many options, and I spoke to some of the acquaintances, some of the mentors of mine and some of the industry experts, out of which I found this particular course curriculum and XLRI as one of the best suited option for myself and of course for my career growth. So after completing this course, I would like to take up a position as a CXO in an eminent organization, primarily healthcare, because that's where my pedigree holds for in last 15 years. And I think you suddenly, with over time and everything, you cannot become a CXO. You need to have certain base elements and also some understanding of certain areas and peripheries, for which I very well suited this course, and I selected this course to make sure that I get into the top-notch CXO level. So I'm very happy with this campus immersion. I have been very happy with the online classes, and I have been attending all the classes. Thankfully, they are on Sundays for 3 hours, and the assignments that they give, that the case studies that they have, it is not only that I study them, I take them up, and it's bundled in my diary, but actually in my day-to-day life, in my daily working style, in my handling my team of 10 people, I'm actually imbibing each one of learning and actually executing it and implementing it. So I would like to quote here an example. So for example, one of the case study was about Piramal Group, wherein it was taught that how the floor manager and the CXO of the company was not aware that what happened, the incidents happened at the floor at least 1 week prior, and everybody, the CEO, the management and everybody was busy preparing the presentation. But knowing each and every person as a CXO stage, at a CXO stage, and making sure that what they are doing, what is happening at the shop floor, what is happening in the organization amongst 10 people, 20 people, 100 people, 1000 people, 2000 people, is a major role that CXO has to play. So that's where I think this thing has imbibed a lot very well, and I'm really thankful for this.